This is the Insta360 Motorcycle bundle, and it's designed really to go with various Insta360 cameras, particularly the 360 degree models, and this was purchased for use with the Insta360 X4. So motorcycle bundle it's basically a pack of brackets and mounts which is designed for putting your camera on your motorbike, either from its mirror or from the handlebars, or even, for instance, on top of the helmet. It's got what they call as a heavy-duty mount included in it, which you can buy on its own for about €11 or €12 less than the whole bundle. But the difference in price actually means that you're better off buying the whole lot rather than just the mount itself, the bracket itself. So what you get in the box is a little instruction manual, 2 screen wipes. This is a set of 3M sticky pad stuff. Then you get a couple of these screw-in clamps. These what look like GoPro type mounts, and likewise another GoPro type mount. This is the main heavy duty clamp itself. Some more GoPro type mounts. One time use of the adhesive that's there. So whatever you're putting this on, you're always going to leave it there, I suspect. Little hex Allen key. Again, one of these screws for attaching to mounts. And this peculiar looking gadget is actually a wrench to really tighten up everything nice and solid. And that wrench you basically use, because this is a heavy duty mount. And in fact, it is heavy duty. It's made of metal. It's very nice indeed. Knobs are not metal, but the basically the way this works is it goes over that and you can clamp it really tight. So that's really good actually. I really like that. Really nice quality indeed. So there we go. The Insta360 mount and the motorcycle bundle. I've not actually bought it for a motorbike. I've bought it for something completely different, but you'll see that later. Thanks very much indeed.